How to make money on Temu as a beginner. The first things first, there are many ways on a specific method where you can earn by using this platform right here, which is Temu. So first things first is make sure that you have created an account on Temu.com's official site. So the first method is through a seller's account. So if you are a beginner and starting any business or products that you want to market with using this platform, then you'll have to create a seller account on Temu, upload your products, and sell it. Now, the other thing that you can do to earn is through joining the Temu affiliate program. So again, make sure that you have already created an account with Temu and then just head directly to affiliate and influencer program. In here, you can earn by sharing specific links on a certain products where you can choose to sell or you can choose to share these products right here to any platforms available that is in partnership with Temu. So say for example, you would like to share this watch right here, just click on watch and just choose on wherever platform that you would like this watch to be shared with on a specific link. So if that person will buy or add this item to their cart or officially buy this item, then you should be able to earn maybe around 30% or 10% commission depending on your account from the affiliate program. And that's it. Those are the things that you can earn on Temu as a beginner.